let us get straight to it. Did you know that one in every three people in India suffer from fatty liver, a condition that often leads to diabetes? The problem is not just about eating too many carbs, it's also about not eating enough vegetables through our diet. Our regular meals are almost 70 to 75% grain based, which causes all metabolic problems. But the good news is that you can reverse fatty liver and subsequent health issues without giving up your regular food habits. The secret? The biggest but neglected fruit available on the planet, the unripe jackfruit. Hello, I'm Omkar, a community pharmacist who is obsessed with making community health better through good food choices. I'm also founder of brand Jackfruit Daily. At Jackfruit Daily, we have converted unripe jackfruit into powder form and have made it available throughout the year. It can be consumed by adding a spoonful to your roti atta by replacing equal volume of wheat or by adding it to idli dosa batter or to your sabzi or dal. So let's understand the potential of unripe jackfruit in day-to-day life. The unripe jackfruit in powder form is a natural gluten-free ingredient packed with soluble fiber pectin. This fiber is crucial for preventing burden of non-communicable diseases like obesity, fatty liver, and diabetes. You can easily add it into your choice of foods, making them healthier without altering the taste and method of cooking. It's a simple, easy, and effective way to boost the nutrition of regular food products. Now think about it. Our favorite biscuits, chips, or noodles can become healthier just by adding unripe jackfruit powder in them. By replacing some of the maida in biscuits, you can increase the fiber content without changing the taste of the product. The same goes for noodles. Adding unripe jackfruit powder lowers the glycemic index and boosts the nutrition. Even chips can get a health upgrade. Add unripe jackfruit powder to the dough or as a coating, and you have turned a junk snack into something more wholesome. Big food companies should take note that people are actively seeking healthier options, and you can lead the way by adding unripe jackfruit powder into your products categories like biscuits, noodles, bread, cake, chocolate. You can offer nutritious choices without sacrificing the flavor or taste of the product. With 2.5 billion jackfruits produced in India every year and almost 80 to 85% of them going west, there will not be any shortage of raw material for your production. It's a time to turn this underutilized fruit into a health boosting ingredient. My dear pharma companies, this one's for you too. The unripe jackfruit powder is not just a food, it has scientifically proven medicinal properties. Packed with soluble fiber pectin as well as vitamins and minerals, it can help manage weight by increasing the satiety, control blood sugar by trapping carbs in its mesh, and it also supports the liver health. Imagine using it in nutritional supplements like powders, granules, or shakes. It's a plant based solution that's both effective and safe. My dear baby food companies, kindly listen. The unripe jackfruit powder is gentle on baby's tummy. It supports digestion and is rich in various nutrients. Whether added to cereals, porridge, or snacks, it can enhance the nutrition during those crucial early months when baby starts eating solid food. Respected doctors and nutrition experts, your role is vital too. As we all know, first line of treatment to manage any metabolic disorders in most of the cases is diet modification, correcting our macros. By advising patients to eat less grains and more veggies, and by advising patients to include fiber rich foods like unripe jackfruit powder in the diet, you can help them manage their health without giving up their favorite dishes. When you emphasize fiber, you empower your patient to take control of their well-being. And the respected government leaders, health is key factor to our nation's growth. By setting standards for fiber content in our food, you ensure that healthy options are available to every citizen of our country. Imagine if all staple foods like atta were fortified with fiber. This could help reduce the risk of diabetes, fatty liver, heart issues, and obesity, the major metabolic problems in our country. And for all parents out there, adding unripe jackfruit powder to your diet is very easy. Just add a spoonful of unripe jackfruit powder to chapati, roti, paratha, or idli dosa batter. It's a small change that adds a big boost of nutrition without altering the taste. Now the time has come to act. Food companies, pharma companies, baby food manufacturers, doctors, nutritionists, and the government. We all have a very crucial role to play to save our health. Let's take that first step towards the healthier future together. And remember, small changes can lead to big results. And most dear viewers, we common citizens should also demand for healthier food whenever we eat outside or even when we are eating at home. Then only we can call ourselves as a healthier nation. If you like the information given in the video, please hit like button, share it with doctors, nutrition experts, government health department officials who can take decision about food fortifications with jackfruit, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.